सो गाइज वेलकम एव्हरीवन. नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर चालू करत आहोत. नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर चालू करत आहोत त्याचं नाव आहे पेरिमीटर अँड एरिया. सो देर इज अ डिफरन्स बिटवीन दिस टू टर्म्स. या दोन टर्म मध्ये फरक आहे, पेरिमीटर आणि एरिया. एक्झाम्पल बघायचं म्हटलं असं, पेरिमीटर म्हणजे काय? सपोज दिस इज युअर quadrilateral, any quadrilateral. Suppose this is your quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So if I want to find out the perimeter, जर मला perimeter find out करायचं आहे, I have to measure the length of AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. या जर मेजर केलं आपण, या लेंथ जर मेजर केल्या AB, BC, CD and AD, then that is the perimeter. ह्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? पेरिमीटर. लक्षात घ्या, ओनली द लेंथ. समजलं? ABBCCD AD ऍड केलं की आपला पेरिमीटर मिळतं. बट इफ आय वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट दी एरिया, जर मला एरिया फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे, क्षेत्रफळ, देन दॅट इज द डिफरन्स. सॉरी, द एरिया इज व्हॉट? एरिया इज द स्पेस कवर्ड बाय दिस फिगर. या फिगर मध्ये, या कोऑर्डिनेटर मध्ये जेवढा ग्रीन कलर मी फिलअप करतोय, दिस इज द एरिया. समजलं? दिस इज द एरिया गाइस. या सगळ्याला एरिया म्हणतात. दिस इज द एरिया. कोणी बाहेर बघा. दिस इज द एरिया. getting? So you can see guys, the हिरव्या कलर मी जेवढा काही हे केलंय, this is the area of this area occupied by this quadrilateral, and red color is दाखवला होता, that is the perimeter. That is the perimeter. Getting? That is the perimeter. Good. So there are different formulae for finding out the perimeter as well as area of different figures. What is perimeter? The sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed figure is perimeter of that figure. Perimeter of a polygon is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides. We have to measure the length of all the sides of any figure, right? And there is a formula of perimeter of a square, that is 4 into side. Perimeter of a side is equal to, perimeter of a square of side A is equal to 4 into A. A is what? A is the length of the side. So this is your formula, 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle, ka formula hai? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. If we consider that L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth, then this formula becomes 2L plus 2B. So we have two formula here. एक फॉर्म्युला तुमचा आहे, पेरिमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 4 into side, or A is equal to or 4A, and perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Getting? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, so solve example क्या बघा. We have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Actually given to you is 64 centimeter. If length is equal to 17 centimeter, what is the breadth? Perimeter is already given. See, in a rectangle, what happens? See, this is your rectangle, this is your length, and this is your breadth. Getting? Samajhte? Now we have to find out the breadth. So let its breadth be x centimeter. Use the formula 2 into length plus 2 into breadth is equal to perimeter. Perimeter is 64 given to us. 2 into length. Length is what? 17. X is what? X is the breadth. So we have to two common काढले इथे actually. यहाँ पे common निकाला है दोन common काढले इथे बघा. So here 2 तिकडे जाऊन division होणार. So you'll get 17 plus x is equal to 15, 32. X is equal to 32 minus 17. 32 minus 17, 15. आता गणित सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल पटकन कळत नाही आपल्याला, पण यामुळे आपल्याला आयडिया येते हाऊ टू सॉल्व इट. जेव्हा आपण ऍक्च्युअली सॉल्व करायला जाऊ, then you will come to know की आपण कसं सोडवत आहोत. Next question बघा. The perimeter of a rectangle of length 28 centimeter and breadth 20 centimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square. What is the length of each side of that square? So length and breadth is given to you. बघा, perimeter of rectangle काढा किती येणार? 2 into length plus breadth. That is 28 is the length, 20 is the breadth. 28 plus 28, 20 के झाले 48. 48 into 2. 48 multiplied by 2 is equal to 96. So 96 centimeter is what? It is the perimeter of a rectangle. 96 centimeter is perimeter of a rectangle. But this perimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square. Then what is the perimeter of a square? If the side of the square is A, then 4A is equal to 96. 4A is what? It is the perimeter of square. Perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square formula is equal to 4A is equal to 96. 4 is equal to 96. Divide karo, you'll get 24. Hmm? Therefore, side of the square is 24 centimeter. Hmm? Good. Yes. So practice at 44 baga. Easy hai. You can do it. लक्ष द्या म्हणजे मी सांगेल तुम्हाला कसं करायचं बघा प्रॅक्टिस एट 44 बघा इझी आहे if the length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled then how many times the perimeter of the old rectangle will be that of the new rectangle समजतंय काय करायचं आपल्याला आधी we have to find the perimeter of the first old बघा yes लक्ष द्या सगळ्यांनी क्वेश्चन 1 चा आन्सर बघायचं let the length and breadth of old rectangle be L and B respectively. L and B respectively. This L and B the italic में ठेवूया. काय झालं रे होत नाही okay now what is asked how many times the perimeter of the old rectangle will be that of the new rectangle now let the double केलेत ना therefore length of the new rectangle rectangle is equal to 2L. काय झालं 2L and breadth of the new rectangle will be what? It will be 2B. Double केलेत ना 2L and 2B. 2L and 2B. Yes, so 2L and 2B. Therefore, perimeter of new rectangle is to perimeter of old rectangle. Now we have to find out the ratio. That ratio is what? Perimeter of new rectangle and perimeter of old rectangle. That is 2, comma 2, comma L plus B, 2 comma L plus B, 2 comma L plus B upon. हे sign देऊया आपण here also हे चिन्ह काढून आपण sign देऊया. That will be useful for us. Is equal to what? See 2 comma L plus B is the perimeter of old rectangle. So new rectangle na. So here 2 hai na. And 2L plus B is what? It is the perimeter of old rectangle. Now आता solve करूया. You'll get the ratio. इथे पण 2 कॉमन केले आपण. So here also 2 multiplied by 2. This is गेले हे तुमचे. Now what happens? 2 निघून गेले. 2 कट झाले तुमचे बघा. हा 2 आणि this. Okay. So what happens? L plus B पण L plus B कट झाले. So your ratio is 2 upon 1. That is 2 is to 1. That is what? 2 is to 1. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times the perimeter of the first square will be that of the new square? बघा इथे मी तुमचा आन्सर थोडा इथे लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. जागा आपल्याकडे आहे. Yes. So perimeter of side is square is triple केलं काय केलंय, sorry, side of the square is tripled. So first we will write here perimeter of the old perimeter of old triangle so triangle a square perimeter of old square upon what perimeter of new square perimeter of new square. Me पूर्ण लिहत नाही, you please write now. What is the perimeter of old square? That is 4 into a. A is what? A is the length of the side of the square. Now it is tripled. Triple केले ना, that means 4 into 3a. 4 into 3a. So what happens, guys? काय काय ते कट झालं बघा इथे. You can eliminate this a 4 4. So what remains? काय राहतं इथे? Yes, so 1:3 is the option. 1:3 is the answer. So that is 1:3. 1:3. Sorry. 1:3. How many times we challenge? That is 3 times. How many times we challenge? That will be 3 times. So you can write here. Answer करू शकतो आपण इथे. Here you can write the perimeter of new square is 3 times that of old square. That of old square. Question number 3. Alongside, given alongside is a diagram of a playground. It shows the length of its sides. Find the perimeter of the playground. Now let's see here. We have to add all the sides. So this is 10. See question number 3. 10, 15, 5, 15. Now this total will be 10 plus 5, 15. Here is 15 meter. This will be 15 meter and total 15 plus 15 will be 30 meter. Is 30 meter. So you can write the answer here below here. You can write answer here. Meet answer to perimeter of the playground is equal to perimeter of the playground is equal to what? Add करू चलो सगळे. 10 plus 15 plus 5 plus 15 plus 15 plus 30. Add करा, you'll get the answer. किती झाले बघा? 30 plus 30 नाही 30 plus 30 60 60 plus 20 80 80 plus 10, that is 90 meter is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4. As shown in the figure, 4 napkins of the same size were made from a square piece of cloth of length 1 meter. What length of face will be required to trim all 4 sides of all napkins? What length of lace will be required to trim all 4 sides of all the napkins? 1 meter आहे. Size were 1 meter. As 4 napkins of the same size were made from a square piece of cloth of length 1 meter. 1 meter. So 1 meter, 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 1 meter. So if we count this, so we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you require a napkin of sorry, less किती लागणार तुम्हाला? That is the 8 मीटरची लेस लागणार. That is चलो मी तुम्हाला आन्सर सांगतो दुसरं सगळं. The length of the lace पाहिजे ना मला कव्हर करण्यासाठी. Less is equal to what? Is equal to perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square. That is what? Perimeter of the square. That is add करायचे. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 किती झाले तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली लिहितो मी ते 8 मीटर. किती लागणार? पेरिमीटरला 8 मीटर.